Interlocking concrete pavers came out of the rubble of World War II. In post-war Holland, there weren't enough clay paving bricks to rebuild city streets. So the Dutch began making concrete pavers. Now they're popular all over the world. These pavers are solid, and the interlocking design disperses weight, easing the load on the road. To make these pavers, a conveyor delivers sand to a weighing belt that weighs the coarse sand as it falls onto it. The weighing belt carries the sand forward, while another conveyor belt unloads stone chips to be weighed. These chips are no larger than 1/3 of a centimetre. The ratio of sand to stone varies depending on the type of paver being made. The stone chips travel forwards, along with the coarse sand. They spill off the conveyor into the skip hoist, which is essentially a bucket on rails. Cables pull the loaded bucket upwards. It stops about 9 meters up, just above a large mixer. A trapdoor opens and dumps the sand and stone chips into the mixer. 6 giant steel paddles mix and then rotate and mix again, while cement is added automatically through several nozzles on the side of this enormous mixing bowl. Too much or too little liquid in the mixture and it won't bake properly, so water is added carefully until the consistency is just right. Nozzles shoot a pigment into the mix to tint it. The mixture looks dry and crumbly, but the recipe gives it just enough moisture to form the concrete. Now a filling wagon spreads the mix over a steel mould containing up to 50 shaped cavities. 10 tons of vibrating pressure is applied. This pulsating force compacts the mixture in the paver mould and removes any air pockets which could weaken the pavers. Hydraulic cylinders lift the mould, leaving the pavers on the press board. The press board slides out, and the mould once again gets filled in and makes another 50 paving stones. It only takes about 10 seconds to mould, compact and release a batch of pavers. The press boards filled with pavers slide into a rack. A chain hoist lifts each board into a large holding rack. A special moving wagon called a finger wagon picks up all the boards from the rack in just one move. The electrical wagon moves along a rail to a curing kiln, where the temperature is around 38 degrees Celsius. The pavers actually generate the heat due to a chemical reaction from the combination of cement and water. About 12 hours later, the finger wagon carts the pavers out of the kiln. They're now 70% cured as a result of the chemical process that binds the cement, sand and gravel, causing the pavers to harden. The rest of the curing will happen over the next 28 days. The pavers are now sturdy enough to handle, so 4 steel arms with rubber pads move in and straighten the stones on the board. These alignment arms are hydraulically driven. They arrange the concrete pavers so they interlock snugly. Now, clamp arms lift the pavers off the board and begin to pile them up. This stacking machine is called a cuber. It packs 9 or 10 layers of pavers on top of another to make this cube. This bundle of pavers will be strapped and shipped out to the job site. So very soon, these concrete pavers will be on the road, in more ways than one.